Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have a puddle, a 2010 Honda CR-V EX. This one is an auction car, 190,000 miles on the clock, but not in terrible shape, especially in the interior. 2.4 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. Got a nice tow hitch on the back. This one is the all-wheel drive. AC blows nice and cold. One thing with the CR-V that I think is really freaking cool, a hideaway center cubby. So if you have a really long like 2x4, something like that, you can stow this away like so. Pretty darn cool. No backup camera, none of that nonsense. There's a little bit of a suspension clunk to it, but I'm not too overly concerned with that. Not gonna floor it. This thing's got almost 200,000 miles on it. All I need to do is blow it up. You know, once this thing gets into its little power band, that ain't half bad. Oh boy, I have summoned the Hondas. Not a bad little car. No, you're not. It's right down the middle of the road, going the wrong way. Oh, it's a nasty pothole. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.